way. Yeah.
YouTube, what is going on, man? Hey, welcome back to the Dre Gatsby Show, man. Hey, we going into 2026. I just wanted to let you know I'm grateful for each and every last one of y'all that's tuning in today. My boy AMG in the cut, man. What up, man?
Turn up. What up, twin? New year. What?
It's new year of
2020. What?
Hey, 2025, man. I done met a lot of amazing people, bro. I done did a lot of crazy things this year. Grateful for you and God. Y'all see we got the Beamer out here, man. We about to take a quick little trip. Have your fun. You see we got Orange Crush in the background. It's crazy. Hey, that low-key look fire off your fit because it got a little bit of, it's not orange, but it's like brown.
Let's
like,
trade, bro.
It's
no
like,
cap.
Yeah,
no cap.
should we? Should we?
Keys.
Yeah.
No,
hey.
we should do a video like that.
We should.
24-hour swap, key swap, key swap. This orange is so sexy, man. You really got a one-on-one challenger, bro, for real.
My boy Jump Mopar can't beam or something like that.
Show him the back, bro. Like
M6 on there, you know.
You see what it says underneath? Competition.
You know what I like most about it? It has to be the carbon fiber roof, bro. Like,
what?
I closed the door and I slammed it. My boy came to me like, bro, this is a BMW. This is an M6. It has self-close or self-touch. Like, what are you talking about?
Self-close. But look,
yeah,
not every BMW got this, so pay attention. All you gotta do is
wait, hold on.
don't slam my doors. And if you do, I'm dropping you off on the side of the highway, cuz.
We gotta lock up the scat real quick before we head out. We about to take a quick little calm little trip. I fixed my exposure. Just had to change up my settings a little bit. What this guy doing, bro? This nigga too cool for school.
They should have cast me for that Michael Jackson movie, bro. For real.
You know I gotta call out the fit, bro.
What?
Why is the hat going perfectly with the t-shirt? If you see the small details.
Man, I'll put it together, but see, the hat is Spider. The shirt, Carhartt. The jacket, Carhartt.
My intuition, you live rent free in my heart, pay the bill. I got some shit that I'm sipping. I get real high like the sun. Turn and go one touch, yeah.
YouTube, we just pulled up to the G-Way, bro. We actually gotta grab some gas, bro. Y'all know, nigga, you wanna ride luxury, you gotta gas up. What's that on the radio, though? Man, we had to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, see what they time. We gonna set y'all up right here. This shit overly trimmed up. What made you wanna go beam? What made you wanna go beam after coming from that Mopar?
I've had the Charger, the Challenger, and the Jeep. All 392.
My nigga said, fuck the Hellcat. We gonna go beam. We gonna go. Hold on. YouTube, so we just flipped up real quick, got some cold shit, waiting on the guys to get out.
I was born with love from the start, yeah.
Alright,
so I break apart. Yeah, look me, but I don't even talk. Niggas always bark, but don't even back in that room and talk. Used to paint the
Camera ain't here all night. Yeah, all night. 3 in the morning. Okay, we still got some.
You straight, bro?
What's that, bro? What's that?
Hey, yo, low key.
Easy. It's ass dog. Hey, hold on. That is super from Ashford. There it is. From Ashford. What you smoking on?
Take my
We not going for none of that. Dre's gas.
We gonna come and blow the
Nigga, you had the camera zoomed in, bro.
keys in my pocket, baby.
YouTube. Alright, I just let my phone charge up. little bit. I'm about to go use the bathroom before I hit this road. I probably got like a 30-minute drive. It's nighttime, so it's not really a lot of traffic. So I'm about to go use the bathroom real quick. I might grab me a snack, but I just low-key grabbed some protein. If y'all tuned into my last video, I actually found my windshield wiper fluid cap that fell after it broke off. I said I was gonna show y'all, so here's what it looked like, bro. And it actually just came off. This whole piece detached from the actual assembly. So damn, bro, I just had a brain fart. So don't click off the video, because why would you click off? You watching the best YouTuber in the world. You know what I don't like though? I don't really like how the camera, you gotta have like certain camera lens, bro, when you recording at nighttime, because when I'm recording at nighttime off the phone, bro, it be a little foggy, bro, and it be looking weak. Jesus, you know what I'm saying? So also the meta glasses are fire, but I think I just figured out a way to get some meta glasses for the low ski. You gotta be strategic with it, but I gotta go pee. I'm looking about to pee on myself, so y'all stay tuned. I'll catch up with y'all in like 0.2 seconds. Y'all ready for this pole drop? Let's go. Don't be nasty, twin. Don't be nasty. Come on, huh? It's 2026, bro. Stop touching the doorknob. Good elbow work, you dig? So it's gonna be a calm little drive, though. I'm not about to record during these straight back roads, because y'all can't even see, but like low key from here, from this light all the way down to the where that red car is right there. Not I'm about to talk right here. I already got the gas now. I just put a low key 40 or something in there. I don't even know. But it's that time, man. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. Oh, y'all want to get a cold start real quick? See if it's any cops around. Any cops? No cops. We about to step on that bit real quick. Hold on, let me warm it up real quick, cause like starting your car up and then instantly revving it is crazy, twin. You gotta chill, bro. Just vibe for a second. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. That's OD love. It's that time, y'all. I know we got a tunnel coming up as well, so that's gonna be fire. Hopefully this angle is kind of solid for y'all. I know it's late, so you can't really see nothing anyway, but that's the point of the video. So I'm not gonna talk as much. I'm gonna see if I can find a nice little sound to add to the background and make this video aesthetically, you know, pleasing. And that's by the sound, by the, you know what I'm saying, the turning signal, and just pure 392 HEMI sound. Like you can't get enough of this, and that's no cap. That's no rap cap. We about to get in this toll lane real quick. Y'all can't really see much, and I think that's what makes this video, it's gonna be beautiful, because you really can't see anything for real. So I'm gonna focus on my driving, and yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let me know if y'all like this type of video for real. Late night POV drive, calm, you know, nothing too crazy. I may add a little pull in here every now and then, but we really just soaking up the, yeah, bro, I'm just talking at this point. Let me shut up, bro.
Gonna think about Jesus. thinking about this shit all night. I've been thinking about this my whole life. I'm just trying to achieve it. I've been thinking about this shit all night. I've been thinking about this my whole life. I'm just trying to achieve it. Swaggin' while I'm surfing, I do it perfect, God gave me strength, God gave me grace. She tell me I'm worth it. Pulled up, crowding up the surface. It's some smoke in the air, smoke on the ground. I'm inhaling that on purpose. Niggas be talking that shit, thinking they could compete, but they really can't. Pull up to the function, bitch, struck. I bet that I can make your whole family. You never leave the crib without my gun. That's how you feel, you get the kids in the family.
I didn't know who that was.